Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. And today in the Crazy Baker kitchen we're going to be doing a no-bake slice. Okay, we're not baking anything. Now it's Easter, so this is going to be an Easter no-bake slice. Please subscribe and please share, and don't forget your recipe is below the video in the description, and also you can find it on my Facebook page at The Traditional Bakery. Anyway, we'll get right on with the video. And for your recipe, you want 360 grams of digested biscuits, preferably broken up. You also want 150 grams of butter, 45 grams of golden syrup, and 225 grams of chocolate. Now, if you want to make an alternative, you can use the Oreos. So you replace the digestives with the Oreo base. First thing you want to do is put your chocolate, butter and golden syrup together, and then we're going to pop that in the microwave for around about 1 minute so it's all blended together. Well, all we're going to do is mix this all together so everything's completely dissolved. Like that. Now all we're going to do is pop in your biscuits. Give that a good stir in. So everything is totally covered. That's how simple it is. Now we're going to get our tray. Now if you've got a wonky tray like I have, just put a cloth underneath it. And this is straightforward silicone paper, or you can use baking parchment, or greaseproof if you like. And now we'll just pop this onto a tray. Just spread it all out over the tray. And now get your rolling pin, and all we're going to do is roll it. That's your base done. All we need to do now is pop that into a fridge, or just leave it in a really cool area for around about an hour. Now, for your Easter egg topping, what you want is your chocolate fudge, which if you've seen it in a previous video, I will pop the link down below. It's baker's fondant, or you can just use the stuff from the supermarket if you want. They sell this type of thing in the supermarket. It's like a fudge base paste. You spread it on, but I make my own. This is baker's fondant and chocolate. And then what we're going to do is smash up the eggs. So the eggs are all going to be crunched up, and also for the topping, once again, we're going to have some more chocolate over the top. Now for your egg topping, all we need to do is break these down. So we're going to smash them up, not too small, but just enough to break them up. Now if you want to use more eggs than this, you can, but I'm selling this slice, so I'm making it for me to sell. But if you're making it at home, you'll add more of everything if you want. And we'll pop our fudge into the microwave and mix that round. That only wants a minute in the microwave, and it just blends it all together. Just mix round your chocolate into your fondant. And with this fudge, I prefer to use less chocolate, so I get a nice milky colour. So it's almost like milk chocolate. And that's that. Now we'll pop this onto the top. And spread it right out. And all we do then is pop over your eggs. Now get your rolling pin and just roll over the top. And this just pushes the eggs into the base. Right, we're going to let this dry now for around about 1 hour, and then we're going to coat the top with chocolate. And then once we got the chocolate on there, we're also then going to go over the top again with more crushed up eggs. Our no bake Easter slice is now set. So we're going to top that over with chocolate. So we'll pop that into the microwave. Now the best way of doing your chocolate is really with a saucepan with water in it with a bowl. Now, when you do it in a microwave, you can burn it in a microwave. But if you do it on a hob, you tend not to burn it that easy. Anyway, chocolate's ready, and we'll spread it straight over the top. Just sprinkle the top with some eggs. This is broken ones I've done earlier. And just get your rolling pin and roll over the top. And there we go. We'll leave this for around about half an hour and then we can cut it up into slices. Well, our Easter slice is now cooled and we'll cut it up. Best idea is get yourself a cloth, a wet one, and this just keeps your blade nice and clean all the time. And it just makes it nice clean cuts. Start with taking the edges off. You might find this a little bit tough, this one. It's because the eggs have all gone hard now. So let's go down the middle. So out of this you want 20 slices. Take them off. It's always best to put your lines in first. It just makes it so much easier to cut down through them. Well, there you go. It's as simple as that. And if you want more videos like this, please subscribe and please share. And don't forget guys, your recipe is below the video in the description. And also you can find it on my Facebook page at The Traditional Bakery. And don't forget, on my YouTube channel, I have got a lot of baking playlists and also non-baking. So do check them out. And we'll see you again very shortly on the Crazy Baker channel in the Crazy Baker kitchen. Laters! This is the Crazy Baker channel. Baking. Lifestyle. Recipes. Reviews. I am the Crazy Baker. Please subscribe and please share. Laters!